I have 10 lip tints, so I guess it's safe to say that I am a lip tint enthusiast. And if you're an enthusiast like me, you will find eventually that water or gel tints are a little bit boring. Plus, if you have stubborn lips like I do, then you will also find that the OG lip tints are a little bit hard to use when you want to get that gradient lip tint look. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about the gimmicky / unusual lip tints that I've added to my collection that have actually made gradient lips a little bit easier. So what I love about this one is that when you put it on your lips, it's gonna stay on your lips and it's gonna stay where you put it, much like a marker. The applicator is really special, I think. I don't know how. It's just so good. If you put it on even the stubborn part of my upper lip, it just stays there and it won't like just diffuse into nothingness. Everybody, welcome to the stage. There's no stage. Everybody, welcome to the video. My sister, Maxine, our special guest for this episode and every other episode on the Happy Bee channel, gotta be honest. And she's going to be trying out the marker lip tint for all of you guys. That? You want me to put it on?
Yeah, because I don't know how to do grading.
Okay. So now that you did that all by yourself, not really. What do you think?
It's the usual na lip tint. When you put it, like parang sobrang daming na nalalagay. So for this, you can control it better. Yeah. But you have to wipe it again. That's it.
Because it sets really quickly, like a marker.
And also for this one, I recommend that you guys add on a lip balm. Perfect.
Now that you did that, do you want to try it on my lips? Since I taught you how to do it on your lips.
Okay.
This is like the ultimate test. You following my instructions.
I don't have that much experience with makeup. So I'm not very confident with this.
Look at this. You like it, Max?
Yes.
You did a good job, bro. Thanks for coming with me. Now you have a fabulous lip tint to go to school with. Bye, child.
Bye-bye.
If you guys want us to do like a video where Maxine does my makeup and I do hers or whatever, go ahead and leave a comment down below. No. So what I love about this is that it's just so freaking unique. The shine that it gives your lips after is so freaking good, but the smell is really the special one. It smells like candy. Daddy, smell it. Come here. Oh, smell it, smell it. What does it smell like? Because it's not a gel or a water type, it latches onto your lips easier. It doesn't really matter what kind of lip texture you have, because this is like a thicker formula, but a moisturizing formula. You don't have to worry about it sinking into like the drier parts of your lip. I actually also have this in a orange color, which is super nice for the summer. I'm so excited to put it on. Sorry, I'm just really happy when my lip tint looks good. So I'm excited. And this one is the number 3 shade and it is a beautiful coral color. So first things first with this one, because I do have quite the pigment on my lips and this one is a coral color, aka not the color of my lips, I am going to apply some foundation. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a really cool orange color, but as you go on by your day, it will darken a little bit and go to the shade that it looks like in the packaging, which is great for me. And I'm gonna be honest, I really love this when I get a tan, when I start to darken from, you know, just walking outside. Naturally, this really looks good on darker skinned people. So if you're a morena and you're looking for a lip tint recommendation because perhaps a pink lip tint or a red lip tint doesn't work for you, this really nice coral shade might. and I really recommend it. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.